A new setup. We're going to select our bottom corner, press OK. Under that setup, we're going to create a new pattern, and sometimes you can just select some points because we need to select some directions. And in the very beginning, just what I like to do is just get we want two directions. So our direction one is this edge. Actually, that's an edge, not a line. Right there. There we go. So what we want to have is a direction going this way and a direction going this way. So we're going to click OK. Under this pattern, we're going to create from template waterjet. So we're going to create our program, and you can see it's extending down here. Right click this, we're going to click edit, and you can see it roughly does a pattern there. You go back into the pattern, and now you can see that it's generated it. So now what we're going to do, now that we have a tool path, we're going to edit this, and we're going to flip this direction. We're going to flip this direction, and we can increase this, and we're going to increase this. Okay, and then what we're going to do is now we can add more instances. So let's add a few more. Now you can see this lead in is going to be an issue, so we can go back and change that. So we're going to click OK, right click here. Now what we want to do is create a tab width. I think this is 1/2 inch stainless steel, but we can go with a 60 thou tab width, and let's put the tab on a spot that we're going to we're going to put the tab on a spot that's easy to grind off. So at our point, we're going to click this point. Okay. Oh, counter. There we go. So you can see that's the tab, and what that's going to do is that's going to prevent the part from falling in the water jet, especially when it's small. It's handy. So let's go take a look at this again. Now you can see that's okay. If anything, we could change that a bit, but we'll double check the size of our part, and we're going to adjust this to try to get the proper yield. Those pieces there, we have a 6-inch piece of flat bar and about 9.5 inches for these holes. So we're going to double check our yield and what we can get in here. We could also try to do some up here. Our rough size of our flat bar. What I'd just like to do is we're going to just draw a sketch of the piece of flat bar that we have. 6 inches by 9.5. We're going to go back to manufacture, going to take our look at our pattern, and so we can fit it in here. So now we can click edit here, and we can add a couple more. Now that being so tight, you can see right on the bottom here, if your zero isn't just right, these could start falling in the water jet. So I might not try to cut that top row, because even though it looks like you think you can get it in, I really don't think you'll be able to. So what I do is we're going to go down to, we'll go there, and then we might add, oh, no, I didn't want to adjust that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we got a bit more than we need. So now you just have to adjust your quantities, and you're good to go. Now that we got our proper quantities, we're going to right click here on our pattern, and we're going to post process. We got a pierce delay of 15 seconds, and we're running the water jet post processor. So we're going to download the program into a F drive, and then we'll cut it.